2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. She running hot. Welcome to Chrisman Garage. What we was going to do is we was going to change on a thermostat. You know, most vehicles, you take the thermostat housing off and the thermostat's like in the thermostat housing. Well, on these old Jeeps here, old thermostat housing is, yeah, she's plastic. And it's got this piece in here that sets in like this, and then the spring goes on here, and this little piece sets on here, and it actually pushes down here. Well, these little plastic gears had broke off. We dug them out. This piece fell out on the ground. The spring was laying in there. We had to get the whole piece. Luckily, we found the only one within a 50-mile radius. She was only about 20 bucks because the nice lady there hooked us up at the parts store there. So I'm just going to say we got her back in there now. I mean, pie. She's got an O-ring on it. It's easy to fix. So there you have it, fellas. The old thermostat housing on the 3.6 Jeep. Yep, you guessed it. She gone to the bad. So y'all remember, until next time, if she's giving trouble, that's what happens right there. She goes straight to the bad.